I am Annalisa.
I am Valentina, and we are Angel Sisters.
Hello everybody, welcome back. We are Angel Sister, and she's Stella. She's Stella.
Or
Stella, say
Bjorn,
hi.
like me,
Stella,
in
say
Korean.
hi. Stella, say hi to the followers. She's Stella.
Here.
And Stella means star in Italian, and Bjol in Korean,
Bjorn, like me.
if you want to know it. So today we are going to do a comeback video. We are so excited about it, and the song is hi Stella, and the song is from the singer, the Korean singer B Rain, or just B, or just Rain,
Or
just
just
whatever.
sexy, or just God
Just
bless you.
Whatever, it's amazing. Okay, we really love him. He's the king of the pop for
B-Rain
for
is
us.
comeback with his song
Yeah,
Gang.
gang. And
Gang.
I'm really afraid because I'm not ready to see the comeback of Weird. Even because the last time we saw a video with a guest, Angela, with a guest,
Okay.
her friends, Angela, and we saw the video, the song, The Last Present.
The best present
The best present, sorry.
dedicated to
The wife. And
Kim Tae.
yeah, and it was a really nice ballad, and so calm and so nice. It was cool, it was a nice song, okay, whatever, but we really liked the other type of Rain. We really like the dance Rain, the pop Rain, the rap, the hip hop Rain,
The Naked Rain.
the half naked Rain, and we hopefully to see this type of Rain on this video. Please, Rain, please tell me this is a dance song, please.
This is the first video after his marriage.
Ooh, right. So congratulations for your marriage. Congratulations, Rain. Congratulations,
for
T.
and for
congratulations.
your daughter.
Oh, for the baby. Yeah,
the name,
he
the
becomes
baby is,
father.
The name babies is I don't remember.
I don't know. I don't know
I
the
don't
name.
know. I
it's a
see
female.
her.
She's a female.
She's a
Okay.
female. I
she's a
see
female,
her
and-
on Instagram, on his profile Instagram. I don't remember. But I don't know that I don't care. Let's see it. Gang.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Rain.
We have
28th of November.
We have 15 buttons. I'm afraid.
Oh, where's Rain? Where? Oh!
Whoa, I like
This
it already.
is the Rain rhythm.
I like already. I want that hat.
I want him. Total.
Woo!
Woo!
Wow. $100 drinks.
Oh my.
Yeah. 다시 돌아왔지 내 이름 링 광의 귀한 후배들 다 빠지는 중 신발끈 꽉 매고 스케줄 all day 그 매니저 전화기는 조용할 일이 없네 15년을 뛰어 모두가 인정해 내 맘의 가치 하와 같이 타고 나니 멋이 어디가 그리 섹시 오빠 또 한 번 무대를 적셔 Rainy Factor 나도 좋아 화려한 조명이
Ah, his voice.
시간이 멈추길 기도해봐 나 걸어
Right.
불꺼진 무대 위에 홀로 남아서
What?
And the outfit, it's a really strange.
got the $100 bills, $100 bills, $100 bills. In my crib, got the $100 bills, $100 bills, $100 bills. Yeah, 화소와는 거리가 멀어 난 꽤 많은 걸 가졌지 수많은 영화제 관계자 날 못 잡아 안다는 내 알다시피 몸이 꽤 많이 바빠서 배받아 전 세계 왔다 갔다 팬들이 하늘을 날아와 TV 드라마 영화에 I get it all 이젠 모두를 붙잡아 노래를 불러 볼륨을 올리고 재등장과 동시에 완전 물 만나 고민 나쁜 오빠 무대를 다시 와
Rain effect.
화려한 조명이 나를 감싸네
This is the voice.
시간이 멈추기도 해봐 I'm not gonna cry yeah. 흩어진 무게 위에 홀로 나간 그대의 목소리를 떠올리네 나 쓰러질 때까지 너 위에 춤을 춰
Okay, this is a little creepy. Okay, this is a creepy thing to do. Okay, it's more like another.
Why mask?
This is creepy.
It's over?
Okay, I don't like the end. It's really creepy. That cover face. Why?
It's strange.
What the hell?
Wow, Rain is back!
The real Rain is back.
Wonderful!
So,
Oh my gosh!
so if you don't know this artist, I want to tell you that this man is just not only just a singer. He's
The singer.
he's a model. He is a songwriter. He is an actor. He is a singer.
A
He is a
producer.
dancer. He is a producer. He can do everything. He do it well. He do perfectly everything, and he have a music house that the name is Rain Entertainment.
Rain, maybe, I think
Something
so.
like that, and-
Rainy Entertainment.
He create some K-pop singer, and it's amazing. There is nothing that he can't do. That's why he's the king, the Korean king for us, because he can do everything and he will do it perfectly because he is Rain. So that's it. And
He is an actor with Rain has made many American movie like
yeah, well, I just
title.
forgot. Yeah, he doing an American, a Hollywood
Hollywood movie
Hollywood movie.
with amazing actor like Bruce Willis, like
Yeah.
Brad Pitt, or
Yeah,
Um,
he do
many actors.
he do so
Wow.
many things, really so many things, and his wife, he's the king, so his wife obviously
Is the queen.
is the queen. She's the queen because if I don't know if you don't know Kim Tae-hee, but Kim Tae-hee is really a beautiful woman. Really, believe me. Just search on Google and write the name Kim Tae-hee, please, because she is really amazing. Like her husband, yeah, but she can't. I don't know if she can do it, but I know that she can't dance or sing, but she is a really great actress. Really, I saw so many drama and movies with her, and I have chill every time I saw her because she really makes me cry or laugh just with her eyes, and it's unbelievable.
And for the typical Korean guys, Kim Tae-hee is the most beautiful in all the South Korea.
Yeah,
In many
it's-
drama, she
Yeah.
is.
she's the perfect girlfriend.
Yeah.
the perfect girlfriend.
Thank you,
because
sister.
because she's beautiful and she's really cute and she's sweet and she have a really a big heart. She's really amazing and
Wow.
wow.
But Rain can speak for Rain.
I like the song, but I prefer Dirty Sexy. I prefer Dirty Sexy. This is more rap. I like it, but I prefer more the Dirty Sexy sound.
Dirty Sexy. Oh, okay,
Dirty,
okay,
sexy,
okay.
Dirty, 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 sexy, dirty, dirty.
Okay,
Please,
okay.
going to hear that song because it's really good. And thank you, B-Rain.
I prefer Rain.
Yeah, the first song is really old song, but it's really nice. And no, I think there is no one in Korea that don't know the Rain song, because Rain is really amazing song and everybody know it in Korea. And thank you so much for this request.
This is the last video of this week.
Yeah, thank you for come back, B-Rain. Thank you for being born. Thank you.
God bless your mother.
Yeah,
And stuff.
father and all your family
And all the age,
in the future.
grandmother,
Yeah,
grandfather.
in the past. Yeah, every
In your song. Okay. See you next time, guys. Thank you so
Bye.
much. We love you.